Kani kadeka Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kani kadeka kanhon kabalatep kum ko All India Meghalaya Association Meghalaya Unit kabaha kajini kando bat kinong patay kubor hanin kasngi ka arpo artadek unay lar hapo Shillong Press Club kala karpa di kinong snong bat di kinong kayi na kani kajala Meghalaya bakin no senyang karbala bantai Biang ka Kerala kabalasa penjular hakibor kamariang hakikindiat sengi balala na kajing silai ka pasirkai na kajing jor uslam habaya karam berkinong patay kubor u Presiden jong kani kaseng kabaha kani kajala uji Pradip Pilai ulaong baka kanhon Aima habarok kari India kalalom kajingno senyang kabalakot palat ciklur san paulak tengka bat palat san paulak ngot kibalano senyang dakitiar kitar na kajala Goa, Delhi, Bhubaneswar, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Bangalore, bat Chennai ngi kum kajai benriau ngidan tang kendiat ha Meghalaya kum ta ngila karpa di Paidbah bakindan benta bantai thamai Biang ka Kerala laong uji Pradip Pilai ubalai thoro bakasang kalapharu da kajing tho show menteri rangba kajalla Meghalaya haka arpo terek menta ubnai ban karpa ya sarkar ban no senyang na kabanta ka Kerala bat haka jo kapor kani kaseng kala ai khobleiru yo konrad ke sangma ubalamang pisa hadu siklor tingka tang na kabanta ban a Jingïarap ya ka Kerala.
Since the water level has started receding and rescue operation is nearing final stage, it is time to deal with the possible outbreak of waterborne and airborne diseases, ensuring relief to affected persons and the rebuilding of the civic infrastructure damaged by the floods. All this needs enormous resources. Even in the midst of agonies, solace being pouring in from different parts of the country and abroad, give a ray of hope to the victims and strengthen their confidence. Such assistance empower them to dream a revolution to bring back to normal lifestyle rapidly without bowing down before the natural calamity and its magnitude. Far from the swirling waters, Aima considers its primary obligation to assist our brethren in deep distress. Aima, in its initial days of flood itself, through its Kerala State Unit, reached Kutnad with relief materials, and their efforts are still on. Aima appeals to everybody to be part of this sacred mission and liberally contribute for the noble cause of rehabilitation of devastating flood victims of Kerala. Willing individuals and organizations can submit their contribution in cash to the Chief Minister's Disaster Relief Fund, Kerala Floods. We have provided 3 account numbers: the account number of State Bank of India, the Federal Bank and the South Indian Bank, which are all based in Kerala, excepting the State Bank of India is a national bank. All contributions made to the CM Disaster Relief Fund are 100% exempted in income tax under Section 80G2 of the Income Tax Act rules. There are various modes of payment. You can do online transfer, you can pay it in check or demand draft, or you can even use your UPIs, like Paytm or anything of that sort, which you can use to transfer these funds. We also understand that there are a lot of people who do not have the facility or would not want to do it directly. They can also provide their contributions to the All India Meghalaya Association. We will then transfer it in bulk to the CM's Disaster Relief Fund. Your generosity will definitely strengthen Aima's pious determination of judicious distribution of gathered resources affectionately amongst the deserving victims personally through the barefoot volunteers of Aima, Kerala State Unit.
I have also come here as part of as the chairman of the Rotary Solar Marathon. We are very proud and happy that Mr. Joseph Nixon, a runner, who's completed 27 marathons and this is his 28th. We are very proud and happy that he will be with us. For your information, some runners from Kenya and Ethiopia are also joining us for the run on 25th. It will be a wonderful run. And I tell you, the goodie bag and it's wonderful. I have run so many marathons myself. I've never seen such. Not that I'm trying to praise myself, it's a fact. I'm just stating a fact. And I take this opportunity with your permission, sir, to invite the press, all of you, to be a part of our team, to encourage people, to motivate people into healthy living. I need your support for that more and more people get into running. That's why we've organized this Rotary Marathon, not for the purpose. When I started, my life changed. It was a life-changing experience for me. And after that, I was a different person. So I feel everybody who runs in the big crowd gets motivated and it's perception of running changes. Today we just say, okay, ठीक है जाएगा, we'll go. But when you run in a crowd, you get motivated, you see the spirit, and I'm sure all of you, if you come there, will be motivated to run. And I hope everybody comes, and I'm sure we'll make this Rotary Marathon a great thing. And I give my best support and wishes to the Kerala people. That I want to tell them that we are with them.